Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, Jamaica has been reeling from the triple effects of El Niño, global warming and the Saharan dust this summer.
The Meteorological Service of Jamaica says the island recorded several hot days so far, with at least one heat wave since May.
As Jamaicans are again being warned to limit time outdoors and stay hydrated.
But as we hear in this report, it is not so easy for people who work in open spaces.
The afternoon sun at its peak. These workmen in St. James at their limit.
By terribly, sir. Wicked. I've drink all 1.5 water bottle of water. Right through the day.
They say working from morning until late evenings in the scorching sun is no easy feat. Hydration is a must.
So I'm looking at 4 buckets of water. Big bucket. Because if you buy the small one, it won't make no sense.
Just cool me down for a little while. But I have to drink water. No drinks can't help me, I have to drink water. Yeah, sometimes I might drink one cold beer. Yeah, like I first, for this long while, feel the sun so hot.
This comes as the island has been recording lower than normal rainfall and rising temperatures over the past few months. While many Jamaicans have been suffering from heat stress, outdoor workers have had it worse. In downtown Kingston, a similar story. This vendor has been battling the heat with a 6-week-old baby. She said she had no choice but to bring her to work.
Wicked. Time hot, man. And yesterday, the breeze with the dust, it's not normal. It's kill we. Friend of mine, chapter sick. As him with the young baby out, after out here, me have to cover from the dust and she a ball for the heat.
And the vendors are feeling the impact from all angles. These are less than ideal conditions for fresh fruits and vegetables.
They make the pepper them ripe up. Even the sweet pepper crop, they get small. The carrots, they get small. And the things them they eat burn up the things them in the ground.
But just how hot is it? Well, the Met Service says the island has been recording several hot days from as early as May. In fact, in May, the island also recorded 2 heat wave days.
So the temperature threshold varies by location, and the 2 airports, in addition to Paisley Gardens in Portland and Bodles in St. Catherine, are the 4 locations we monitor. They have all recorded hot days June into July. We actually had a record of heat wave at the Manly Airport that occurred in May. Yes. So, and you're talking about temperatures about 34, where the maximum and minimum have to stay above a threshold for 2 days.
Jamaica's heat season runs from April to October, so it is normal to feel hot now. But the heat over the past few years has been worse due to global warming. And with the island now being impacted by El Niño and the Saharan dust, it is even hotter. Jacqueline Spence Hemmings is the manager of climate services at the Met Service. She says El Niño is also making this heat season more unpredictable, so Jamaicans should stay prepared for any intense weather event.
It basically will be strengthening, where we expect it to peak around November, December, January, and hopefully thereafter taper. But then how long it takes to taper will determine when we are fully out of the woods. So we are looking into going into 2027 for sure.
And so Jamaicans are being advised to limit their exposure to the sun where possible and stay hydrated. For people who work outdoors, suggestions are being made to avoid working between the hours of 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. when the sun is at its peak. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.